Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, Thursday, April the 8th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a tectonic one and a binary one. But first, we will solve this binary baby. And this one will be a number. Let me see, number 2603. Yes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always four ones and four O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, hand O, then O. Double O, hand one, then one. Double one, hand O, then O. Double O, hand one, then one. Double one, hand O, then O. Now we have four O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, hand O, then O. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Then, then, double O, here one, there one. Oh, apologies. Oh. My tripod is still not working correctly, so let me zoom this out. Okay. No, I need to correct this. Don't move, don't move. I have a gorilla tripod. Okay. Yes. Let me see. Okay. Let me count. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then let me see. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. I think we need to compare. Yeah, compare. Yeah. Yeah. I need to compare. One, double one here, double O here. Number one O, O one. Yeah. the second column and this column. Oh, oh, 1 1 oh, oh, 1 1 1 1 oh, oh, empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then need to compare again. Yeah. We need to compare. Hmm. 101 here. Oh. Yeah. The first column and the fourth column. All right. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box, empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 6 minutes. All right. Great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last puzzle of today's newspaper and the additional 4 stars tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese. See you then. Bye bye for now.